Got a bunch of hot sauce. Yes, God. What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 8. I survived a full week doing Vlogmas, uploading every single day. That is so crazy. Honestly, it's hard to upload every single day. I knew I could do it. It was just gonna be hard, so yeah. It is currently 2:30 in the afternoon and I have been editing videos for Vlogmas because, like I said, I am gonna upload Vlogmas Day 6 and Day 7 on the same day because I uploaded a restock video the other day and I didn't want to like double post on like my restock day. So I think that's what I'm gonna do on Saturday. There's gonna be like 2 videos instead of 1. So just so you know. Actually, because next Friday I'm not restocking because I'll be at Slime Mania. I'm so excited for that. Let me know in the comment section down below if you're going to Slime Mania. Karina Garcia is gonna be there, PT Baby is gonna be there, Nicole Jackson's gonna be there, the whole squad. I am so excited. Right now I just ordered some Taco Bell from Postmates because I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day, so I'm gonna eat that. And I feel like I wanna bake a cake because I'm kind of bored. And it's really cold outside, so I just want to bake something. I'm either gonna bake a cake or make cookies. I haven't decided yet, but I've already made cookies on the vlog, so maybe I'll just make a cake, who knows. These are some of the slimes from this week's restock. They are labeled, and all they need to do now is have the name label because we found them, and then they need to be sealed. So they're just waiting here for my aunt, and yeah, they're beautiful. If you ordered from this week's restock, you're so lucky because all the slimes are literally goals. Look at this microfilm here. Goals on goals, honey, okay. This is a butter slime. It's super sizzly and it inflates a ton. I love this. This is my Grinch's hot chocolate here. So beautiful. This I ended up calling burnt sugar. Love the way that came out. And then this one here is grape bubble tape. Love it. The food's finally here. I need to take a thumbnail real quick. Hopefully that was good because I'm hungry. So before I start eating, I just want to let you all know that I literally ordered 12 bottles of these, but only somehow got 2. And I was a little bit shook, and it says on Amazon that it was delivered. So I had to like chat with customer support. Amazon actually has great customer service, surprisingly. I didn't think I was gonna be able to get in contact with anyone, but I was able to chat with somebody like live on the app. So that was kind of cool, and they're sending me a replacement, so I'm gonna get like 12 of them, and so I'm gonna end up with like 14. It's basically like I got 2 free. That is so crazy. So shout out to you, Amazon, you legit. I am so happy that my food is finally here. I am literally starving. I don't even know, am I cutting my head off? I think I am. Hold up. I literally have y'all like on top of my slime right now. Goals on goals. Okay, I think that's better. Got a bunch of hot sauce. Yes, God. And I got my tacos and stuff. I ordered a lot of food, but I'm probably not gonna eat it all, to be honest. And can we talk for a second about the fact that they don't have Baja Blast at the moment? Like, what? Like, why even be open if you don't have Baja Blast? Like, that is what everybody goes for. It should be Baja Blast Bell. That is besides the point. This looks so good. Holden is like literally at my lap right now because he wants some. Sorry, dude, you can't have this. My mouth is watering. I'm salivating. Awkward, but it's true. I'm a human. Humans salivate. Just put some hot sauce on this baby right here. I believe this is a cheesy gordita crunch, right? Something like that. I don't know. Mmm. It's so good. Let me show you real quick. Look at that. Delicious. Whoops. Last time I ordered Taco Bell from Postmates, they actually like, Postmates kind of like defaults to like certain settings. And so when I ordered everything, I thought I was getting like what it comes with. Like usually it comes with just ground beef, right? Like seasoned ground beef. And so that's what I like from there. I haven't tried anything else. So when I ordered everything and I got my food, I realized that everything came with steak. Apparently, my Postmates like defaults everything to steak. And I didn't really like the steak, so I had like a really bad experience with it. I didn't really eat anything because it didn't taste good, in my opinion. So I was kind of like hesitant to order this time, but then when I was like going through, I was like, oh hey, like it lets you choose what you want. So, you know, ground beef all the way. Just thought I'd let y'all know that fun fact, just in case you've ordered from Postmates before and you were shook. It's so good. I just wish that I had a Baja Blast right now. I'm kind of sad. I live kind of out of the city limits, so there's not like many places that I can Postmate to me. I know like in the city you can get like pretty much whatever restaurant, like anything. I can't even get McDonald's Postmated to me, so that's kind of wild. But Taco Bell is the real one because it's on Postmates. We have like Taco Bell, Little Caesars. We have a place called Taco Cabana, which is kind of good, but it's overpriced and overhyped. It's like not the best. I would rather have Taco Bell, to be honest. There's also like Panda Express. There's like a new Chinese restaurant as well that's on there now. It's called Panda Brothers. What else is on there? There's the Wendy's, Jack in the Box, and I think that's it. There's really not that much, and you can get Walgreens if you want that. This is definitely hitting the spot. I didn't eat breakfast this morning, and it's already like 2:45 because I just wasn't really that hungry this morning. I was being kind of lazy. I would, you know, rather sit on a computer and edit than actually cook myself breakfast. So I didn't make anything for breakfast, so I didn't eat anything for breakfast. I did have a cup of coffee though because the Keurig does all the work. So yeah, I've been hungry. I'm a hungry boy. This here is a beefy burrito, something like that. It has like beef. It also has like corn chips in it and rice and stuff. So hopefully this is good. I did put some hot sauce in this too because I really like, this one's my favorite. And it doesn't even have like that much of a kick, the mild, but I just like it. Like I feel like this one has the best flavor out of them all. So don't come for me. I'm just kidding. Okay, let me try this. I've never had this before. It's kind of weird, but it's not bad. Is it my favorite? Definitely not. Corn chips, it kind of has like a weird taste to me. But it's not bad. I'm gonna eat it still, but it's not bad at all. Totally off topic, but I love the way burnt sugar came out, and I kind of want to like bring it back someday. Look at this part. Oh, it's just so beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's add some sauce to this, if it'll focus. Focus on the taco. Focus on the taco, please. Focus on the, oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah, buddy. This is gonna be crunchy, watch. That is really good. You can't go wrong with the Dorito taco. Whoever thought of the Dorito taco is probably a millionaire right now. I wonder what was going through that guy's head. I'm gonna watch Dynasty right now, and then in like an hour or two, I'm gonna upload Vlogmas Day 7. So if you haven't watched it and you're barely watching this one, you should definitely go watch that. By the way, I have a whole playlist of my Vlogmas videos, so you can literally watch them in order if you wanted to. Just thought I'd throw that out there. But yeah, I'm gonna go watch Dynasty, relax a little bit, upload, and then we'll bake a cake, honey, okay? Okay, sis, let's watch us some Dynasty. Hashtag not sponsored, but it should be because it's literally my favorite show ever. Well, one of my favorite shows, because American Horror Story is off air right now. The finale is already over, obviously, because it's finale, but Dynasty time. I just uploaded Vlogmas Day 7, so that is up now. Like I said, if you haven't seen it, you should probably go do that. What are you doing? I'm gonna make a cake right now just because I'm a little bored, just to pass the time, and because I also want a cake. I need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So I'm gonna do that. I'm making a spice cake, and I'm not making it from scratch, obviously. I should probably do that. How do I do this? Oh, I should probably do that one day for Vlogmas, but That ain't today, sorry. Since this is literally packed to the top, I'm just gonna go in with a fork and mix everything together because I can't even imagine sticking a hand mixer in here because it's so packed. Where is my non-stick spray? Pamela, where are you? I found Pamela, and fun fact, Pamela is not even Pamela, it is Joy. I'm using this bundt cake pan here. I'm just gonna go and spray it down so that the cake does not stick. Make sure to get the inside of the tin as well. Really want to make sure this does not stick, you know? Okay, that is good. Now I'm gonna pour in the cake mix, just like that. So 30 to 35 minutes in you go. Gonna put that in there. Goodbye, you be nice. The cake is ready and it is on a cooling rack to cool. I wonder if you can hear the sizzling of it being baked. Listen. Hopefully you heard that. I don't know. Y'all, the cake came out so gorgeous. Look at that. So I just melted a little bit of cream cheese frosting, just the ones that you get in the can, and then I added a little bit of rum to this as well, just to give it an extra spice, a little kick, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna drizzle this once it cools down a little bit over the cake, and it's gonna be delicious. Okay, so our frosting cooled up a bit now. I'm gonna go ahead and just drizzle this bad boy over the cake, just like this. This is gonna have such a nice kick too because of the rum. I'm just super excited. I'm gonna be adding in some chopped pecans, just to half of the cake because my mom actually doesn't like pecans, but a lot of my family does. But this is like her favorite type of cake, the spice cakes. So I'm only gonna do half so that my mom can take the other half home if she wants, and she can share with my brother and stuff. Boom, done. I just served myself a piece of cake and I'm gonna add just a little bit of caramel because that's kind of how I roll, and it is done. Someone really wants cake. I'm sorry, Holden, you can't. I love you. I love you. Okay, it's time for a taste test. I have a really big bite right here. I don't even know if it'll focus on it. Probably not, but that's okay. Let's just try it. That is so good. That cake was so good, and I literally just looked at the shop right now and we're completely sold out, which is always a good thing to see. I love that, so thank you so much for the support.